Hello everyone, good morning. I am Deepika in front of you with another exciting episode of Mathematics. This is class 3rd, chapter 2, Numbers. And today we are going to solve the exercise 4 on page number 31. So let's start with question number 4, that is arrange in ascending order. In this question, some numbers are given to you and you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now, what is ascending order? Ascending order is an order in which we arrange the numbers in the form of smallest to largest. Means like we create an assembly line. Same. Okay. So, let's talk about the definition. When we arrange numbers in the form of smallest to largest, it is known as ascending order. It means in ascending order we in ascending order we arrange the numbers in the form of smallest to largest. Means the smallest number came very first and the largest number came in very last. Okay, so let's start with the question A, that is 3042, 342, 4032, 4320, 432 and 324. Like we discussed about it, that we have to arrange all these numbers in smallest to largest form. So the very first number, the smallest number in all these numbers is 324. So first we are going to write the 324, then we have 342, then we have 432, then we have 3042, then we have 4032, and in the last, the largest number, that is 4320. So I hope this question is clear to you. So let's go with this question number B, that is 4635, 3546, 500, 5436, 4356, 635, and in the last is 563. So the very smallest number in all these numbers is 563. Then we have 635, then we have 3546, then we have 4356, then we have 4635, and in the last, the very largest number is 5436. So I hope the ascending order is now clear to you. So all these questions are same like these questions, so do it yourself. Next is arrange in descending order. So now what is descending order? See, descending order is an order in which we arrange the numbers in the form of largest to smallest. Like the very first we put the largest number and in the last we put the smallest number. I hope this is clear to you. So now let's talk about the definition of descending order. That is, when we arrange numbers in the form of largest to smallest, it is known as descending order. It means in descending order we arrange the numbers in the form of largest to smallest. So let's start with question number A, that is 1001, 1110, 1011, 1100, and in the last 101. So we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Then we'll put the largest number in the beginning. So the largest number is 1110, then we have 1100, then 1011, then 1001, and in the last, the smallest number, that is 101. Okay, let's talk about question number B, that is 3062, 3602, 203, 402, 1206 and 2306. So the largest number is 3602, then we have 6000, then we have 3062, then 2306, then 1206, then 4002, and in the last 203. So if you know the countings very well, then ascending order and descending orders are like a cupcake for you. Okay, so let's talk about the question number 3. Write 4 three-digit numbers formed by using the digit 407. Now the question is, you have 3 digits 40 and 7, and you have to create 4 different numbers by using these 3 digits. So very first is, like we talked earlier about it, then you have to write the number as it is in the beginning. So the digit is 407, so the number is 407. Now simply replace the number. Numbers की जो पोजीशन है, जो प्लेस है, वो आपको शफल कर देना है. ओके, लाइक जैसे हम कार्ड्स को शफल करते हैं. ओके, सो द सेकेंड नंबर विल बी 7. If we shuffle them like this, then the number will be 704. If we shuffle them like this, then the number will be 740. And if we shuffle it like this, from this, then we have 470. Okay, so like this you have to simply shuffle the numbers and create such numbers. Next question is the same like last one. Write 6 4-digit numbers formed by using the digit 8630, each beginning with 8. Means here you have 4 digits. 4 digits are 8630, and you have to create 6 numbers by using these 4 digits, but the condition is there that every number should be start with the digit A. So same goes with this question. Like the last question, we have to write the digits same in the very beginning, then we have to shuffle. Here the condition is that we have to fix the 8, means 8 is always came in the at the first place, so we have to shuffle all these 3 numbers only, like this, okay, and so on. So the answer is here. You have to just simply shuffle the numbers and you can get your answer. Next is, write the largest 4-digit number formed by using the digits. You have given 4 digits here, and you have to form a largest number. When we talk about the largest number, when we have to create a largest number, it means we have to arrange all the digits in descending order. Okay, every time remember this thing, that if we have to create a largest number, then you have to put the digits in descending order. Okay, so we have 3, 5, 8 and 7, and if we write the digits in descending order, then we will write it as 8, 7, 5, 2. Okay, but there is no need to put commas here. If you put the commas here, then it is read as 8, 7, 5, 3. These are 4 digits, but you have to create a number. It means there is no need to put commas here. We will write simply like this, and the answer will be 8753. As simple as it is. Next is, the digits are 2046, and if we arrange these all digits in descending order, then we have our number, that is 6420. Okay, the next and the very last is 9502. The number will be 9520. 0 is the smallest one and 9 is largest one. Okay, next question is, write the smallest 4-digit number formed by using the digit. Means you have to create the smallest number. Like I told you, if you have to create the largest number, it means you have to put the numbers in descending order, and this is same opposite of this, that if you have to create the smallest number, then you have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Okay, so let's start with question A, that is the digits are 6124. If we arrange these digits in ascending order, then we have 1 2 4 6. It means 1246. Next B, in question number B we have 5084. Then the number will be 4058. Look, if the 0 is in the digits, then you have to put the 0 at the second place always. सेकेंड प्लेस पर आपको लिखना होगा. इफ यू पुट द जीरो इन फ्रंट, ओके, अगर आप फर्स्ट नंबर पर सबसे पहले जीरो लिखते हो देन द नंबर विल बी 0458. बट यू ऑल नो दैट स्टार्टिंग में जीरो होता है, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. इट मीन्स ये नंबर पढ़ा जाएगा 458. ओके, बट ये तो there are only 3 digits here, but we have to create a 4-digit number. That's why we put 0 always at second place in ascending order. Okay, when we are going to create a smallest number, we put 0 at the second place. The question number C is 9035. Then I told you that we have to put 0 at the second place, then 3059, and an answer is 3059. Okay, that's it for today. See, now let's see your home assignment. You have to solve all these questions in your FNB, which I explained here. Next is make a chart of ascending and descending order. You have to create a chart like this, okay, of ascending and descending order, and forward it to me by 6. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope the lecture is understandable for you. So good luck. Bye bye.